Whether or not your customers have a DottedSign account, anyone can have the ability to sign a document through DottedSign without a hassle. For signers who don't have an account, they can just use the following steps to complete their signing process. First, you will receive the invitation email and click on View and Sign. To continue, click the checkbox to agree to the terms. Then sign the document and complete. You can now find the completed document in your email. By signing up and logging into DottedSign, you will have access to many more functions, such as tracking the document progress. You can go to your email inbox to receive the notification email of completion. You can then download the completed document, and by logging in, you can download the full audit trail. Now, from the sender's perspective, if the link you have sent has timed out, as the sender, you can resend this link to the signers. First, go to Waiting for Others. Now click to see more of a file, and click on Resend so the signer can get a new link in their email.